Well, greetings all. I am coming at you from Brighton Beach Park here in Duluth, Minnesota, right on the north shore of Lake Superior. Just want to announce that I will be here Saturday, June 7th from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. I'll be hanging out here between those hours. For anyone that wants to come by and say hello in the Duluth, Minnesota area, you're welcome to come by. Please, anyone that's extended distance away, I would urge you to not drive very far to come meet me. I'm kind of boring in person, but anyone is welcome to show up. I would advise the weather is supposed to be decent, a lot like today, overcast. Today the high is 55. The extended forecast for June 7th is 65, so probably a little bit warmer, but with the wind coming off the lake, it's always a little cooler here, so I advise bringing warm clothes with you, maybe a chair if you want to hang out for a little bit. But again, I will be here from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday, June 7th, for anyone who wants to stop by and say hello. Again, you may want to pack a lunch or bring something to eat with you, and you're welcome to come by, say hi for just a few minutes, or hang out for a good portion of the day. It's up to you. And yeah, hopefully it'd be great to meet some of the local viewers here. Again, that's Brighton Beach Park here in Duluth, Minnesota. I'll leave some information in the video description, and I'll close off the little video here with a little look around the park. Thanks again. Looking forward to meeting anyone that can make it. So Brighton Beach is a nice park here. There's access to get right down to the rocky shoreline there if you want to be right up on the water. There are trash cans, picnic tables everywhere, nice bathrooms here. There's 2 sets of those. And then there is a shaded pavilion down here in case we get any rain or anything. There'll be protection from that. Hopefully the weather will be good and we'll be able to have a nice meetup here. So this is where I'll be hanging out right here. It's at the very east end of the park. It is a one-way drive coming through, so you have to enter Brighton Beach Rd right off of 61. And you come in this way, drive all the way to the end. There are parking spots all along here. There's a toilets and a short little walk from this little pavilion here. So again, I'll be right here on the east end, right by the shoreline and the swing set here. And that is the location. So if I happen to not be out, you are welcome to give a light knock on my van. I may be in my van taking a little break or possibly using the bathroom here. Yeah, but keep an eye out for me at the pavilion. That's where I should be most of the day. So again, I'll be here at Brighton Beach Park from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday, June 7th. And just another reminder to come prepared, bring warm clothing. I'm actually underdressed right now. I could stand to have a heavier coat on. That air coming off the water is usually pretty chilly. So hopefully the weather will cooperate and it won't be too cold here. Again, the temps should be a little warmer than they are today, and hopefully we won't get any rain. But yeah, that's June 7th, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Brighton Beach in Duluth, Minnesota. Thanks again. Hope to see anyone that's in the area. Take care. Peace.